Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that you have been enjoying my Most Wonderful Time series this week, whether you've been watching the tutorials here on my YouTube channel or also following the projects that I've been posting over on my blog. I hope that you are enjoying it. I'm having a great time sharing these project ideas with you, and I have a really fun announcement for you if you'll just stay tuned to the end of this video. Enjoy. So here are the 4 projects that we've had so far. So day 1, remember, was the unboxing, but these are the 4 projects that I've shared with you. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday's project. So in case you missed any of these, aren't these so cute? Let me show you this one. So this one was on the blog yesterday on Thursday. Isn't that so much fun? So in case you missed any of these, I've linked to all of the days that we've had so far down below in the video description. You can check them all out there. And today I have a fun, quick, easy 3D project to share with you featuring the Medley. Just a great little gift that you could give to someone this holiday season. So let's jump in. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my piercing mat, and I've got 2 pieces of Whisper White here. This one I have die cut using the stitched rectangle dies, and this piece is just a scrap piece. I've got my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am going to stamp my sentiment, which says "Deck the Halls." I'm going to put that off to the right on this stitched rectangle, just like that. And then on this scrap piece, I've got my old olive ink pad, and I'm going to stamp that little Whoville looking Christmas tree right here. There it is. And I'm just going to take this tree to my die cutting machine and just get that all cut out. All right, so I've got my little tree all cut out. It's so cute. And I'm going to set these 2 things to the side. I am going to bring in my Stampin' Up! Simply Scored board. We are going to do some scoring. So I've gone ahead and selected this gift box piece of designer paper from that Most Wonderful Time medley. I love this one, and you can see the gold foiling there on some of those gift boxes. So this is 6x6 designer paper that comes in the medley. So that's all you'll need for this 3D project. And you want to score with your pattern right side up. Whichever side you're wanting to use, make sure the pattern is right side up, and score at 1 inch and 5 inches. Then rotate 90 degrees and score at 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches. It's that easy. Hopefully you can see those score lines, but that's it. And I'm just going to bring in my bone folder and just give a nice crease on each of those score lines. So we are making just a really quick and easy pinch bag. It's just a small little pinch bag that you can put a variety of little goodies in. Okay, so I have creased on all of those score lines, and I'm just going to bring in my paper snips and going to cut up to that 1 inch score mark on both sides of this little tab. And then I'll also just kind of wedge in on the sides of that tab. Oh, where did that piece go? Oh, here it is. Wedge in on those little that little tab as well. Rotate around and then do this tab. Okay, so now this is what we have. I'm just going to flip this over, and let's see. This is going to be the front of my little pinch bag because the presents are right side up. This side you can see is actually going to be upside down, but it'll be at the back of the bag, so it won't matter. So now what we're going to do is add a little bit of tear and tape to each one of these little tabs right here. And then I'm also going to just add a couple pieces of tear and tape to this little flap down here at the bottom. So I'm just putting it on each edge. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this little backing off of the tabs here. Okay, and I'm going to fold this flap over that little tab that has that tear and tape, just like that. And I'll also go ahead and do it over here,
Just fold it over that tear and tape, just like that. And now what we're going to do is peel off these backings. And then we're going to fold our front tab to the back. That way our seams for this pinch bag are all at the back. We don't want those at the front of our little bag. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, so there it is. So I've got my little bag all built up. So now what I'm going to do is literally just pinch those sides in at the top, and it'll just kind of pucker in here on the sides, and that is our little pinch bag. Now, before we seal this up or wrap this up, I want to go ahead and put my little treat inside, which I'm just putting a few of these wintergreen mints. If you do craft fairs, hold on, let me wait till all the plastic rustling stops. Let me do one more. If you are a craft fair person, this is a great little item that you could do for a craft fair, and you could fill this with a variety of things. Fill these little bags up. I'm gonna do one more mint in there. Okay, so here's our little bag. It's got some pucker to it now that it's full. I love that. So now what we're gonna do is take the white and gold tinsel that comes in the Medley, and I am just going to wrap this around a couple of times. Okay, I think I want it. Let me do it again. Okay, there we go. So I just wrapped it around 3 times actually. And I'm going to cut it kind of long, just like that. And all you do is pull your 2 ends to the front and just tie it in a bow. And you can see it just kind of curls up and loops all over itself. I love how that looks. It has like a nice whimsical feel to it with all those little curly cues. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Let me show you up close. Hopefully it's focusing, but look at how cute that looks. Just all curled up. I love that. Really, really cute little bag. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put this bag together, add our little decoration pieces on there. So we've got our sentiment. I'm just going to add a couple of dimensionals to the back of the sentiment and just put it right over in the center here, right over my tinsel in the center of my bag. Then I'm gonna take my tree and I'm going to add 1 dimensional over here in the bottom left. So, well, it's actually the bottom right, but if you flip it over, it's the bottom left. But down here in the bottom right, and then I also want to do a double stack towards the top so that the tree will sit flush. Since I've got 1 dimensional layer here, this makes 2 layers. So I need to do a double stack for the top to sit flush to the bag. There we go. So then I'll just take this and I'm just gonna pop it on right there. And that's so cute. I love this little bag. It is so, so cute, you guys. And then let's glitter up this bag or this tree with some Wink of Stella. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit more out here and then just sparkle it up. Okay, I think that looks good. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and, oh, there it is. Can you see that Wink of Stella on the tree? Isn't that so pretty? It's always so hard to capture Wink of Stella so you guys can see, but there it is. So pretty. And then to finish this little bag up, I'm just going to add one of these cute little adhesive stars that comes in the Medley. Just pop that right on top like so. Oh yeah. So cute. Okay, there it is, you guys. So that is my 6th project for you featuring the Most Wonderful Time product medley. I hope that you've enjoyed today's project. I hope you're enjoying the whole series, but I hope you've enjoyed today's project as well. And remember, you can find the measurements, full list of supplies, all of that over on today's blog post, which is linked down below. And I do have the supplies down below with links to my online Stampin' Up! Store as well. I would love, love, love for you to shop with me. So let me know if you guys have any questions about today's project, and I have a quick announcement for you.
Thank you so much again for checking out today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. So I thought it would be fun to end today's video with a giveaway. So why not give away the Most Wonderful Time stamp set? Yay! So I have the stamp set to give away to one very lucky winner here. In the United States, this giveaway will only be for the United States. I'm so sorry I can't ship it outside of the US. All you have to do is visit today's blog post, which is linked down below. Click the link, and over there you will find the giveaway button. Click that giveaway button, and all you have to do is share with me one of your favorite holiday traditions. So leave a comment on that giveaway link. Share your favorite holiday tradition with me. I'd love to know what you and your family do to make the holidays special, and I will go ahead and just tell you here what one of our holiday traditions is that I love. And that is, we decided a few years ago, instead of giving gifts to each other, we would make memories. So each year we decide as a family where we would like to take a vacation that year together. So that's what we do. We take a family vacation every year, just a couple days after Christmas, and we just enjoy spending time with each other. And again, like I said, making memories, and it means so much to me. And I love that new tradition. So anyways, let me know what is a fun family tradition that you guys have for the holidays. And yeah, thanks again for joining me today, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye.